Benefits of fruits in our diet and muscle building. Average intake of calories is 2000 calories per day, and if you are losing or gaining weight, then check your daily intake of calories as per your diet. Consider your weight and height too. Take help from Google to obtain diet regarding information. When we think of building muscle, eating fruits is not the first thing that comes to our mind, yet it plays an important role in helping build our muscles. This is because fruits carry various vitamins and essential nutrients. So let's get right down to those fruits which help and boost our muscle building ability and process. 10 fruits which help in muscle building. First, oranges. 30 minutes before working out, consuming an orange helps to blast our radicals free. Oranges have vitamin C which help in maintaining our nitric oxide levels and not letting it deplete. Nitric oxide supports our blood flow, which in turn means delivering oxygen to our muscle group. Average calories provided by an orange are about 65 calories. Second, cherries. Cherries are like small gems loaded with explosive nutrients and powerful antioxidants. Handful of sweet cherries boost muscle recovery time and reduce inflammation. They also keep us looking and feeling great. Average calories provided by a cup of cherries are about 50 calories. Third, grapefruit. Whether we eat pink or red grapefruit, we will definitely feel and observe difference in our physique. In a study, it is showed that people who consume grapefruit either in the form of juice or as a whole fruit for breakfast are tending to be thinner and leaner. Average calories provided by grapefruits are about 75 calories. Fourth, watermelon. Besides being yummy and deliciously sweet, watermelon is a fruit which is loaded with citrulline, which is an amino acid which increases our blood circulation, aiding us in our development and maintenance of muscle mass. Watermelon being favorite of many of us, it is easy to include in our diet, simultaneously helping in building muscles. Average calories provided by a full watermelon are about 1300 calories. Fifth, apples. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But apple also has a role in muscle building, and any serious bodybuilder is aware of various benefits of apple, such as it helps in staying lean and fit. Eating an apple before a workout helps to bring best results, and apple is one of the fruits available globally. Hence it is a fruit which can easily be added to our diet. Also because it is tasty, there is no defect in consuming an apple per day. Average calories provided by an apple are about 95 calories. Sixth, pineapple. A cup of diced pineapple in the morning starts our day greatly as it is known for its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties and vitamins. Its one cup will help us after a workout to boost our muscle recovery and also help us in our overall health. Pineapple is also a great fruit and imbibes its effect on our diet in no time. Average calories provided by a pineapple are about 452 calories. Seventh, cantaloupe. These are one of our favorite summertime melons as they are available in huge numbers in the summer season. It helps in boosting our digestion of carbohydrates. Besides being sweet, it is also a great muscle building fruit. Eating it empty stomach after a good night's sleep or eating several slices of it after a workout will help in maintaining our digestion in a healthy way, helping avoid tablets and medicines required for proper digestion. Average calories provided by a cup of cantaloupe are 55 calories. 8th, bananas. Bananas are the most common and one of the widely energetic fruits included in diets of professional bodybuilders. They are most effective when they are eaten on an empty stomach as they are power packed, helping in muscle formation and body maintenance. Bananas can also be called as workout fast foods because they are portable and easy to toss in gym bags. Average calories provided by a banana are about 95 calories. Ninth, Strawberries. Nothing is as great as a pre-workout strawberry smoothie. Strawberries are a healthy snack that help in sustaining muscle mass while keeping you satiated. It's an healthy, organic and delicious way of helping muscle building. Average calories provided by a cup of strawberries is about 47 calories. 10. Raspberries. These being similar to strawberries and its smoothie make a difference from strawberries as it is loaded with antioxidants and yummy micronutrients that sustain muscle health. It also keeps us strong and fit. Average calories provided by a cup of raspberries is about 65 calories. Nutritionists have agreed that the best time to eat fruit is on an empty stomach, just after you wake up or even as a snack throughout the day. So now, we can conclude that staying fit is not only about bench lifts and barbells, but it is also about following appropriate diets and consuming appropriate fruits at appropriate timing, creating a healthy environment for our internal organs and letting our muscle build perfectly. Thank you.